Hello, everybody. This is the Manscape review. Just got the package. It is already looking nice. Okay, let's see what we have. I got the 3.0 lawnmower. Okay. Yep. I guess these are the things I didn't get. But I got it for a nice deal. Thank L Hot TV for the discount code. So let's get into it. Oh man, that look nice. Look at that. Ooh, Manscape. I love this texture. I thought it would have been like rubbery, but it's plastic. Very good. Good quality. Very nice. Your boss will thank you. Haha. Let's see what we have here. Alright. We find a gentleman. Alright, let's see what we have. Only have one head, guys. So bear with me. Oh, ain't that nice? They just ball the instructions up. The lawnmower 3.0. Yeah, pluck it and file it. What else we have? Charger adapter. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Okay. USB. That's what it looked like. See if I can get this open. Alrighty. Yep, that's the USB charger. What type do we have? Okay. It's a little thick. Guard. Oh. Guard. Paper. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, look like this the stand. Like I said, I'm working with one hand, guys, so bear with me. Oh, I like how the charger stand, the charger dock feels good. This how I thought the the diamond texture was gonna feel, but it doesn't feel anything like the charger pad. The charger pad actually feel better than the. Yeah, they should have used the same texture that's on this part or the diamond part where you're gripping the most. Still pretty good though. Can't wait to put this to the test. See how it looks on the charger. Oh, very nice. So you have USB, guard, oh, I didn't even see that. The brush. And the brush. Alright. Adapter. Crop reviver. This one came with the deal. Tone refresher. Looks very nice. Manscape. Manscape Reserve, ball and deodorant. Let's see how this smells. Oh man, that smells good, yo. Woo-wee, that smells good, man. I can't wait to use that. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, snap. Have the Manscape Performance Boxer Briefs. Extra large. Some size I prefer. Can't wait to open that. Very nice. Okay, with the bag. Now the bag, I can't say it I was kind of skeptic about the bag by it almost looking like a purse, but it's actually pretty nice. Actually pretty nice. I like it. And we have the mats. The mats to catch your hair when you're trimming. Oh, those mats is pretty big. The mats are pretty big. I can't really show how big it is, but it's actually pretty big. It's big enough. It ain't super big, but it's big enough. What they have on here? Okay. Very good. I guess it don't really matter because they would be disposed of. So yeah, guys, that's it. Lawnmower 3.0. Reviver. Reserver. USB. Adapter. Guard. Boxers. Etc. I'm about to open these boxers. Want to see how these boxers actually feel compared to premium stretched boxers. Let's see. Give me a minute. Alrighty, we got that open. Oh man, these boxers. Oh man, these boxers are nice. Yo, these boxers are very nice. Super comfy. I can tell. I don't even have to put these on to tell that these are comfortable, bro. I could tell that these just are comfortable the way they feel. I could just tell. Any women, I'm telling you, any women that touch your boxers while you're touch these boxers while you're wearing them, she 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 gonna snatch that dick out, boy. I'm trying to tell you, these boxers feel good. Woo. Oh man, I don't even got to put those on. Those are these are amazing. Manscape. So so if you was looking for a decent review, this is a major go, man. Let's get it, man. Manscape. Take care of yourself, man. It's your boy Will, and I'm out.